More number problems. Day 2. Example 7. The smaller of two numbers is 3 less than the greater. If the greater number is decreased by twice the smaller number, the result is -5. Find the two numbers. We're going to be using the 4-step problem-solving procedure. The first step is to represent the unknown numbers, or give them variable names. Notice that in the first sentence of the problem, the smaller number is described in terms of the greater number. That means that we have to name the greater number first. Let greater number equal x. Now that we've named the greater number, we can continue with naming the smaller number. The smaller number is 3 less than the greater, so we will call it x minus 3. Now we proceed to the second sentence in the problem to translate that into an equation that we can solve. If the greater number, that's x, is decreased by, that's minus, twice the smaller number, so that's 2 times the smaller number, which is x minus 3. The result is another way of saying equals, -5. This is our equation, and now we need to solve it. Going through the equation, I'm going to change all of the subtraction to addition, so that's plus -2 and then plus -3, okay, equals -5. Now we're going to use the distributive property to multiply -2 times the expression that's inside the parentheses. X plus -2 times x plus -2 times -3 equals -5. X plus -2x plus 6 equals -5. We can add the 1x and the -2x together to give us -1x plus 6 equals -5. Now we want to move the 6 over to the other side of the equation, and we're going to do that by adding a -6 to both sides. 6 and -6 add up to 0, so I'm just going to cross those off. -1x equals -11. And if we divide using DLE, divide by -1 on both sides of the equation, we'll get x equals +11. All right, so we found the the greater number actually is +11, and we need to make a substitution to find the smaller number. Our greater number is 11, our smaller number is 11 minus 3, which is 8. Okay, that's the end of our problem for today.